Good morning, students. We start our next video. Myself, Patil Yogesh Narayan, and today we discuss the topic from 11th Science Mathematics paper first. Topic is trigonometric function, and in this topic we see today fundamental identities. So you already known about fundamental identities of trigonometric functions. So the fundamental identities of trigonometry is first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Second, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta if theta is not equals to pi by 2. And third one, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta if theta is not equals to 0. So we see proof of these identities. We consider the circle with center or origin and radius 1 unit, that is standard unit circle. Let Pxy be any point on the unit circle with measure of angle QOP equals to theta, and since P lies on the circle OP equals to 1, and by distance formula we know that x square plus y square equals to 1. So distance of OP from the origin is 1 unit and it's calculated by x square plus y square equals to 1. So then the trigonometric functions are defined as sin theta equals to y, cos theta equals to x, and tan theta equals to y upon x. If x is not equals to 0, so we substitute the values of x and y in the equation x square plus y square equals to 1. So we get sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sorry. Now, if theta is not equals to pi by 2, then cos theta is not equals to 0. That is, x is not equals to 0. So, we dividing equation 1 by cos square theta. So, we get sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta equals to 1 upon cos square theta. So, we get 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. And if theta is not equals to 0, then sin theta is not equals to 0, and dividing equation 1 by sin square theta, so we get 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. So these relations are called fundamental identities. Now next one is domain and range of trigonometric functions. So we see this. So we know study sin theta, cos theta, tan theta as functions of real variable theta, and here theta is measured in radians. So we have defined sin theta, cos theta, where theta is real number and alpha and theta are the coterminal angles, and if 0 degree is less than equals to alpha less than 360 degree, so then sin theta equals to sin alpha and cos theta equals to cos alpha. Hence the domain of this function is R. Let us find the range theta and cos theta. So consider y equals to cos theta, where theta belongs to R and y belongs to close interval -1 to 1. And then domain of sin function is R and range is close interval -1 to 1. Again consider y equals to cos theta, theta belongs to R, so y belongs to close interval -1 plus 1. So then domain of cosine function is R and range is close interval -1 to 1. And see, this is the graph of sin x. So, and also graph of cos x. Only same waves, but values are different. So consider y equals to tan theta. Tan theta does not exist for theta equals to plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. So in general, tan theta does not exist if theta equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to I. And the domain of the tan theta is R except theta equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So since tan theta equals to y upon x and value of theta can be any real number, range is R. And consider y equals to cosec theta. So we also find cosec theta does not exist when theta equals to n pi, and therefore the domain of sine function R and range is, so as minus 1 less than equals to theta less than equals to 1, cosec theta is greater than equals to 1, or cosec theta is less than equals to minus 1, and the range of cosecant function is this one. See the graph of tan function. Same way we find for sec theta, domain and range of the cosecant function, and also we find the domain and range of cot theta. And the graph of the function in this way, cos theta, sec theta. Okay, and also the topic periodicity of trigonometric function. A function is said to be a periodic function with period p if there exists a constant p such that f of x plus p equals to f of x for all x in the domain, and therefore f of x equals to f of x plus p plus f of x plus 2p equals to dot dot dot. So this point periodicity of trigonometric function is not for 11th standard in the year of 2021-22. This academic year, this topic is not included in the syllabus. So we see the table tabulated in the domain, range and period on the screen. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, and its domain and range functions are in this given table. Now we see the examples. So see the example, find the value of sine 1141 pi upon 4. So we know that the sine function is periodic with the period 2 pi, and since 41 pi upon 4 equals to sine 10 pi plus pi by 4, and so we get sine pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2, and find the value of sine 765 degree. So its solution is the periodic function sine, and so we get value of 1 by root 2. So these two are the examples on the periodic function, but it is not included for this syllabus or for this academic year 21-22. So we see the next examples. If exercise 2.1, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equals to 2, then find the value of tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. So we know that tan theta plus 1 plus tan theta equals to 2. So squaring on both sides, so we get tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into 1 by tan theta plus 1 by tan square theta equals to 4. So we get tan square theta plus 1 of 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta equals to 4. So transfer 2 on right hand side. So we get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equals to 2. Same value. Which of the following equations are identities? So check it. 2 cos square theta equals to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So see RHS of first 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So substitute in sin square theta plus upon cos square theta, and then we get cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta, and we get 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals to LHS. Since the LHS equals to RHS gives the equation E is an identity. Second example from that, cot A minus tan B upon cot B minus tan A equals to cot A tan B. So substitute A, B equals to 45 degree. So we get 0, RHS equals to 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. The given equation is not an identity. Next example, cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta equals to sin theta plus cos theta. So we solve it, substitute the value in sin cos of tan theta and cot theta. So we get the final answer sin theta plus cos theta and equals to RHS. So hence it is an identity. Means the LHS equals to RHS, then we say that the given equation is identity. See next example. If 5 tan A equals to root 2 pi less than A less than 3 pi by 2 and sec B equals to root 11 root 3 pi by 2 less than B less than 2 pi, then find the value of cosec A minus tan B. So 5 tan A equals to root 2, therefore tan A equals to root 2 upon 5 and cot A equals to 5 by root 2. As cosec square A plus 1 plus cot square A, so we get 1 plus 5 upon root 2 bracket square, so equals to 27 upon 2. So cosec square A equals to 27 upon 2, and angle A is lies between pi to 3 pi by 2, means that is in third quadrant. So in third quadrant cosec ratio is negative, so cosec A equals to minus root 27 upon root 2. Also now sec B, as then using sec B we find out tan B. So we get angle lies in four quadrants, so value of tan B is minus root 10, and then we find the value of cosec A minus tan B equals to minus root 27 upon root 2 minus of minus root 10. So we get root 20 minus root 27 upon root 2. Again next example, if tan theta equals to 7, then I will evaluate the value of cosec square theta minus sec square theta upon cosec square theta plus sec square theta. So therefore cot theta equals to root 7. So since cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta, so cosec square theta and sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So cosec square theta minus sec square theta equals to cot square theta minus tan square theta. So we get cot square theta plus tan square theta plus 2. So cosec square theta minus sec square theta upon cosec square theta plus sec square theta equals to, and by substituting the values we get the answer 7 minus 1 by 7 upon 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 2. So we get 3 by 4. Next example, example number 5. Prove that cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta equals to 1 minus 3 times sin square theta cos square theta. So here we know using the formula a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. So LHS equals to, so using this formula we write down cosec square theta cos square theta cube plus sin square theta cube. So use here a cube plus b cube. So we get a plus b bracket cube minus 3 times a square b square into bracket a plus b. So we get 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. RHS. Next example, eliminate theta from the following. So is important questions, eliminate theta. So x equals to a cos theta, y equals to a sin theta. and second example x equals to y equals to. Third example and solution. So given that x equals to a cos theta and y equals to a sin theta, so squaring on both sides. Consider cos theta is x upon a or sin theta equals to y upon a. So squaring on both sides, so we get cos square theta equals to x square upon a square, and sin square theta is y square upon a square. So we get cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to x upon a square plus y upon a square. So we get x upon a square plus y upon a square equals to 1. Next example. So second example we solve it. Now given that a x are again squaring and adding, so we get, and third example x equals to x upon a cos cube theta, y equals to b sin cube theta. So cos cube theta equals to x upon a and sin cube theta is y upon a. So taking cube root first, so we get value of cos theta and sin theta, and then we squaring and adding these two, so we get x upon a raised to 2 by 3 plus y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to 1. If 2 sin square theta plus 7 cos theta equals to 5, then find the permissible value of cos theta. So we find here permissible value of cos theta. So given equation is 2 sin square theta plus 7 cos theta equals to 5. So we want to find the value of permissible value of cos theta. So convert sin square theta into cos square. So we get 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 7 cos theta minus 5 equals to 0. So we get 2 cos square theta minus 7 cos theta plus 3 equals to 0. And then find the factors. Then we get 2 cos theta minus 1 and cos theta plus 3. So we get two values of cos theta equals to half or cos theta equals to 3. But we know that cos theta cannot be greater than 1. So value of cos theta is 1 half, and it is a permissible value of cos theta. Next example, solve for theta 4 sin square theta minus 2 into bracket root 3 plus 1 sin theta plus root 3 equals to 1. So here roots are given by sin theta is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So we substitute the values, and after solving these, so we get sin theta equals to root 3 by 2 or 1 by half. So theta is pi by 6 or pi by 3. Next example, if tan theta plus sec theta equals to 1.51, then find tan theta and sec theta. So given that, so 1.5 means 3 by 2. So tan theta plus sec theta is 3 by 2. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1. By factors, we get 3 by 2. Sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1. And then sec theta minus tan theta equals to 2 by 3. So we get the two values. From first and second, we add both 2. So we get 2 sec theta equals to 13 by 6. So sec theta equals to 13 by 12. And tan theta equals to 5 by 12. Sorry. And sin theta is 5 by 13. Next example, prove that sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta upon 1 plus cos theta equals to sec theta cos sec theta plus cot theta. So substitute the value of cross multiplication we take here, sin theta into bracket 1 plus cos theta plus tan theta into bracket 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. So sin theta plus sin theta cos theta plus tan theta minus tan theta cos theta. So we get 1 minus, we get sin theta plus sin theta cos theta plus tan theta minus tan theta cos theta upon sin square theta. And tan theta into cos theta. So we get the value of this function is sin theta. So sin theta upon sin square theta. So separate each term. So we get from this sin theta upon sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin square theta plus tan theta upon sin square theta minus sin theta upon sin square theta. Now see the term, first term, this one and last term, both are cancels. So we get sin theta cos theta upon sin square theta plus tan theta upon sin square theta. So cos theta upon sin theta plus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. And then we get cot theta plus cosec theta sec theta. So we get RHS. See next example. Prove that sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta equals to 1 minus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. So we write LHS equals to, so sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. Rationalize the denominator because in RHS we want the denominator as 1. So we get sec square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta upon 1, and so we get 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. So we get RHS 1 minus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. Next example, sec a minus tan a bracket square equals to 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. So sec a tan a bracket square equals to sec square a minus 2 tan square 2 times sec a tan a plus tan square a. So 1 upon cos square a plus sin square a upon cos square a minus 1 by cos a and sin a upon cos a. So we get 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin a upon cos square a, and 1 minus sin a upon 1 minus sin square a. So we get 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a equals to RHS. Thank you. So we see next lecture.